In today's video, let me show you how to fix Shazam notifications not showing on your Android device. So if you come across this issue where notifications is not being displayed for the Shazam platform, the first thing that you'll need to ensure is that if notifications are enabled in the first place. So you can simply swipe right, head over to the settings on the top left, scroll down, and then make sure you head over to manage notifications and make sure that the allowed notifications are enabled. Once you've done that, the second thing that you need to also ensure is that once you're inside of settings again, you'll be able to see the option which says notifications bar. It says right here, access Shazam from your phone's notification bar. So if you want that, make sure you toggle this option on as well so that the notifications bar is visible on the top. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, what you'll also need to ensure is that you have not turned on any sort of battery optimization. So inside of your phone, if you're currently on a power saving mode, this may be the issue that you're facing. So make sure you toggle this option off. So make sure you toggle this option or this feature off and try to see if this fixes the issue. Lastly, if none of these solutions are working out for you, this is likely due to bugs or glitches on your phone. So you can firstly try to restart your device as well as reinstall the app of Shazam onto your phone and then again re-log in. By following these few steps, you'll be able to fix the notifications not showing on your Android device. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.